How is electrostatic discharge generated? Static charge is a form of electricity at rest. It can be generated by simple friction, that is, rubbing two objects together. A simple method of generating a static charge is to rub a plastic ballpen case on a nylon cloth. Once generated, the static electricity will remain on the ballpen for as long as it is not placed on any other charged materials. If ever the ballpen cap comes in contact with another object, the static electricity can move to or from the ballpen to equalize the charge between the two objects. The transfer of static electricity from any of the two objects is called electrostatic discharge. One inexhaustible source of electrons that can supply or can accept them without any effect is the Earth. Whatever charged object brought into it is immediately discharged. The simple illustration does not necessarily mean that static electricity can be generated intentionally. For instance, static electricity can be generated in a multitude of possible ways. Rubbing of hands or arms on a table can result in the generation of up to about 3,000 volts of static electricity. Sliding of the IC pins in a plastic box can result in the generation of up to 12,000 volts of static electricity. A person walking across the vinyl floor can generate about 13,000 volts of static electricity. The amount of static electricity varies within the environment, and it depends primarily on the prevailing relative humidity. The moisture in the air offers a readily present conductive path to the ground from static electricity and hence avoiding any static buildup.